Hey guys, it's Liv and welcome back to another Vlogmas video. So right now, morning ritual on my way to the game. By the way, I've been really good the last couple weeks. As soon as I get to the gym, I go in. Sorry, I'm just like looking to see if my dumbass brought my headphones, but I definitely didn't. I've been going to the gym, doing 5 minutes of like a 12 incline on a 6 speed, so like quite a speedy incline walk, and then I go upstairs and I do some like generally static stretching, only because I don't know any like dynamic stretches. Static is like when you sit in a stretch and you don't move. Dynamic is when you like pulse or like move while you're stretching, you don't like hold it per se. Anyway, I've gotta go. I've been sitting in the car for like 5 minutes. So I'm wearing the ribbed bodysuit that I got from Cotton On and like a little kimono thing and some pants to school today. I don't know, I think this is okay. It's so hard sometimes to decide like whether something's appropriate for work, but if I bend over, like my boobs aren't falling out, I'm not like wearing a push-up bra or anything, so I think this is cool. I don't know, I just love this color. I know my kids will love it. It's just so hot today that I don't really quite know how to function. I don't know what we're having for dinner. I don't know what we're doing tonight. I don't know about anything. All I know is that my booty is slowly growing, and I really wish I could show you guys, but I can't. Trials and tribulations. Do you guys get really weird suggestions from AliExpress? Because like seriously, look at this. So it's just on Facebook. And this pops up. Like, excuse me. The best part is stop meow, anti-bite. Like, sorry, that was my stomach. This is just the most confusing thing look at how sad it looks. Like, I'm not pro animal cruelty, but this is just like a stupid product. Good morning guys, so it's Thursday, and to be completely honest with you guys, I did just film for like 2 or 3 minutes, but then my camera stopped recording, so I don't know what happened. But anyway, I had intended for yesterday, which is the first part of this vlog, to be its own vlog, but then I forgot to finish it because basically I was streaming, and on Twitch you can do what's called a raid, and it's when like you and your viewers, when your stream is over, you like go into somebody's chat and you can talk to them, and it's like a really big deal because it's like you're giving all of the people that are watching your stream to the person that's streaming, if that makes sense. It's kind of hard to explain. And my friend raided me with like 39 people, which is like triple my normal viewership. So it was pretty crazy, and it was just so much fun. A whole bunch of like, I was streaming Pokemon, and all of the people in the Pokemon community are so nice. A couple people like traded with me, and there were like heaps of people that just stayed with me for the full time that I was streaming. I'd only intended to do like 2 hours because I was really tired, but then I ended up doing like 4.5 hours. So yeah, I had so much fun. And then yeah, completely forgot to end the vlog. It was like 11:30, so yes, kind of don't blame me for not finishing the vlog. Also, I'm really sorry about this camera mount. That should have been something that I asked for Christmas, a good car camera mount, not an AliExpress one, but anyway, I didn't, so maybe I'll buy one next year. Another year done. So it is, so the year's done guys. School's officially finished. I'm just driving home. I stayed for like a couple hours after work just for the like post-work drinks. We also were like going somewhere afterwards, but like at 3, and I was kind of just like didn't really feel like going out afterwards. Like I just really want to go home and have a nap. I've actually got a headache coming on. I think it's because I've been having heaps of sugar. Well, I had heaps of sugar today because one of my kids brought in a cake, and like I don't think it's that much more than what I'd normally have, but yeah, anyway, I feel a little bit sick, so I'm just gonna go home and relax, enjoy the first little bit of my freedom. Very excited about the freedom part. I also got some more lovely gifts today, mostly chocolates, and some really beautiful cards. We also did Secret Santa. I gave some chocolates to ended up giving some chocolates to Secret Santa because I forgot my Secret Santa at home, which was really cool. And then I got a reusable coffee cup, which is a freaking cool thing to give in Secret Santa, don't get me wrong. Like, I was stoked that I got that compared to some of the other things that came up, but I just gave it to one of my colleagues because I don't drink coffee. But it was a really cool gift, so that's a gift idea for next year for myself that I would potentially get for Secret Santa. Freaking good thinking, whoever got that. But yeah, I don't know, I just feel really like, I don't feel sad actually. I'm really surprised. I didn't cry. I did shed a tear yesterday, but other than that I haven't actually cried. I know you guys are like, why would you cry? But I always cry. We're Christmas shopping. I want one of these for Christmas.
I feel like we need to put dirt on them.
I want a cat to put on top of it too. A joint present.
Put yourself on it.
So we just finished Christmas shopping, although I'm not actually finished Christmas shopping.
I haven't even started.
We've just been at the mall for like hours. Kind of buying some stuff, but also kind of like not buying anything at the same time. We haven't had dinner, but I ate like a whole bag of beef jerky while we were walking around the mall. And we bought some chopsticks, so I kind of want to have ramen, but it's also like nearly 10 o'clock at night, so maybe not.
Sacrifices, girl, sacrifices.
I'll just go to bed so full, that's all. But I don't know if that's probably better than going to bed hungry. I don't know. Anyway, just thought I'd give you guys a quick update on life. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you would have seen that I wanted this for Christmas. And my very good roommate, wow, hold on, wait. My very good school friend bought this for me, but also Hazel did too. But Janae gave it to me first, so yeah, look at how cool it is. Ugh. And you can like push all these buttons and like different stuff happens. Oh, I like this one. It's just kind of like, not noisy, but it makes noises. And then you can also make it like stand still. Oh, shivers. Like not move. Oh, I love it so much. This is the thing I was just showing you guys. And also in other news, we got some chopsticks. So Hazel's, Corpu's and mine. I got the little bunny ones with strawberries on them. I don't know why my camera's not focusing, but they're very cute. So I'm having a ramen right now. Yes, I know it's like 10 o'clock at night, but I don't want to not eat because I'm hungry, you know? Meh.